Hello everyone, I am Ayaan Subbaiah.
I am Aarush Gowda. We are Team Snakejers from ATL Public School, Koorgalli, Mysore.
We have chosen the theme Education and Skill Development, and our problem statement is to design toys and games that will help children learn in an interactive and fun way.
Tackling the difficulties of integer operations presents ongoing challenges to students, encompassing issues like sign confusion and unique rules for multiplication and division. With the project Linear Ladders tailored for 10 to 12 years old, we aspire to reshape the learning journey.
By bridging the gap between conceptual understanding and practical application, Linear Ladders transforms the complexities of positive and negative numbers into an exciting and enjoyable exploration within the realm of mathematics.
To address these challenges, there is a need for more engaging and interactive learning experience. We have developed the solution not only to enhance mathematics learning but also to analyze individual strengths and weaknesses, aiding teachers and parents in guiding children effectively.
As part of our primary research, we surveyed mathematics and physics teachers. Their feedback is invaluable in refining our project, addressing teacher concerns, and ultimately improving the overall effectiveness of teaching integers to our students.
The game incorporates a 30-second sand clock to time opponent's turn, introducing a sense of urgency to the gameplay. Each player controls the scoring device assigned to the opposite player, fostering an interactive exchange. 3 dice represent the first number operation and the last number in the equation. Players roll these dice simultaneously, generating an equation to solve within the time limit. The opponent verifies correctness through a button system. Additionally, a random number determining the pawn movement steps adds an element of unpredictability.
To illustrate, if the yellow dice displays 8, the grey one shows a subtraction sign, and the blue one presents 3, the equation becomes 8 minus 3. A correct answer within the 30-second limit, verified by the opponent by pressing the green button, propels the player forward on the snake and ladder board.
Conversely, for a wrong answer, let's consider dice showing 5, a multiplication sign, and minus 2. The correct answer is 5 times minus 2, which is minus 10.
If a player incorrectly answers or runs out of time, pressing the red button results in a setback on the board. The game seamlessly combines quick thinking, math skills, and a touch of luck, creating an immersive experience as players navigate through equations and strategic moves on the board.
The two of us came up with the idea of developing a game. We both helped each other with coding and building.
We would like to thank the ATL Lab team for providing us with an opportunity to work on this project.